Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at today's stock market action for June 26th. So we will be looking at today's action for the Dow Jones Index, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and couple of stocks which outperformed and underperformed today. One is the CoreLogic, another one is Netflix. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website, this is our social media sites, so please check it out when you get a chance and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. As you see today, the major indices had a bad day today. They took a nosedive. Dow Jones posted almost 3% losses for the day, and S&P 500 2.5% almost, and Nasdaq also now in line with the other two indices today. So let's look at their chart real quick. So you are looking at that Dow Jones index chart in a weekly setting, and I use only two moving average. One is the 10-week moving average, another one is the 50-week moving average in a weekly setting. So if you look at it, I was keep on warning you guys throughout this week that Dow Jones having tough time clearing this the 50-week moving average resistance. But today, even though it posted almost 730 point loss, it found support at the key 10-week moving average line, so which is a really good news in the bad day today. So even though it lost, you see here it found the support right there, it found support right here, so which is a good news. It's not broken yet. So it found the support at the 10 weeks moving average, even though it had a bad day today, but it posted almost 3.31% loss for the whole week, which is now almost closer to 900 points. So let's look at S&P 500. It posted almost 74 points loss today, and it's almost close to 3% loss for the week. But if you see right here, it found support at the key 50-week moving average, which is nothing but 200 to 250 day moving average, give or take, but it found support at the key line, which is a good news because it hanging on above that line, which is a good news. And if you look at Nasdaq, which is the leader, so given the run up from here, even though it posted 2.5% loss for the today, for the entire week it posted less than 2% loss for the week. So even though the day was not that great, but given the run up, things does not look that bad. So it's still trading well above its 10 weeks moving average and trading well and above its 50 weeks moving average line. So let's get to the website and look at today's recap. And if you see, there are more stock posted losses than the gainer. So these are the stocks which is in our open list. So those are the stock we care about. So still over 200 stocks are now posting a lot of gains, from anywhere between 500 to all the way to 626% gain. And if you look at, there are a lot of stocks got stopped out today. So if any of your stock hit your stop loss, just get out and save your capital for another day to invest. And if you look at the heat map, you can see sea of red all the way to the end, then green, which is relates to the day's indices action. They went down quite a bit today. So the first stock we're going to look at is CLGX, CoreLogic. It was added to the tracker a couple of days back, and today it posted a rock solid gain. I think it looks like it's a winner. So if you happen to have this stock, just hang tight. This may be a very good big winner in coming days. The next stock we're going to look at is Netflix. It now posted almost 22 points or 4% loss for the day, but it's still up 23% since 323. And it also offered a couple of secondary entry points, and I don't believe they are in danger yet. So this stock hit all-time high this week, but still it gave up all the gains and gave up some more. So it almost posted almost 2.5% losses for the week. So the chart is like not broken yet. So, but this stock is not really interesting because it can recoup its losses in matter of time. At the same time, it's a very good stock for day trading. So the one-liner is like leading growth stocks take a haircut as indices post heavy losses for the day, because if you look at all our 25 stocks, now pretty much all the 25 went down and they posted heavy losses. But given their run up in recent months, it's not a big deal. But still, they gave up so much ground today. So that's all, guys, for today's market action. So the indices post losses, but it's not, the trend is not broken yet. So you may want to do not get so much bearish at this time. So just hang tight. So thank you for watching this video. Please head to our website and social media site. We love to see you guys there. And also please subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in another video relatively quickly. Thank you very much.